at all the IKEA food. Is that... What soup is that?
Mushroom.
Yeah, so our table is clean. We put everything there. There's like a mini playground in the middle of IKEA food court. We are done eating and now we're going to the smaland. So they can stay here for 1 hour while we shop because I think we need to design some cabinets. And we need that time to focus. It's free for 1 hour, but you can only have 1 hour for the whole day, and you can't get in. Only the kids can get in. They also have a bathroom in there, so I think they need to be potty trained to be able to stay here. It's fine. Okay, so we are going to the area of the closet. Are we on the right floor? It's scary to get in IKEA. It's very hard to get up. It took us 10 minutes to walk here. We're still not in the kids furniture area. Okay, so we're here. This is the cabinet that I want. Exactly this. Because it has these drawers. Nice.
Anong kulay?
Ayun, maybe the yellow one. We have 28 minutes left until they're done in the playground. So we're trying to do all the boring things. So we have time to look at things. And then later they're just gonna be in the toy area. Hours done and we're picking them up. We did everything we set out to do. This is the bed that they have at home. So it's like this one has like the perfect size. This cart has like a seat belt. This like sounds like it's cursing at me. Now we are just like wandering around aimlessly. I'm trying to find the organization stuff. So, and then we have to pick up the bookshelf. Continue shopping. Yes. Sitting down here because I'm too tired. I really like that cloud light. Rigged some comfy couch here using the couch cushions. You like it? Makakamura po kayo.
Dad, makakamura ka daw dito. Tipid.
Matipid. So we are done. Yay. The rest will be delivered.
Cloud.
What is that? Yeah, you can eat it now.
Mommy, look. to Daddy.